office. Taco Bell.
Taco Bell. Just go ahead and push the screen down. There you go. Perfect. There you go. Probably don't have to push that hard if you don't want to. Just flood it out. There you
Oh,
go.
look at that. Look at that, huh? Let's throw some mustard on there.
Is it satisfying?
It smells like hot dogs.
Ugh.
There.
Go ahead and lift it up.
That sure is ruined. What will we do?
What will we do?
Let's wash it in our new soap.
Power packs.
Power packs. Plus it smells like yummy lavender.
It's a 5-in-1.
Look, 10
Bottle
times
10
deep clean, color protection, fabric softener included, antibacterial, lasting fragrance.
Yeah, it's a 5-in-1.
And they're not too bad size. Look at
So these are power packs, right?
Yeah, very clever. Like little shooting stars.
Little what?
Shooting stars. See?
Nice. So it has a booster, cleaner, fabric softener, and
So here's your OxiClean, here's your soap, and here's your fabric softener.
I think that's what it is.
It's a guess.
It's a guess.
I'm just a guess. Oh, they smell really good though.
Smell better than the hot dog.
Much better. Yes. Smell better than the hot dog. But you only need one. That's the best part. It's
Yeah.
not like you need four.
One per load.
One per load. Let's
Okay.
just put it in there.
Okay. We're gonna try and get that stain to set in, right?
Oh, yeah.
Get it dried up a little bit.
Just like if you wore it all day at the picnic,
Right, the family picnic.
right?
Right. Should we go ahead and wash it?
I work so hard. Yes, we'll wash it. It smells so good.
Little packet. Big stain.
Yeah. Ready?
Let's go ahead. Easy peasy, spider wash. Put the lid down because we don't need to put soap in the top.
No? Cold? Start.
So we're
25
gonna
minutes.
try it on cold, right?
Yes.
25 minutes, we'll discover what it looks like.
Yeah, see if it works.
See it broke through.
Yep.
Broke through in 1 minute. So it's an instant cleaning. 1 minute in,
It's already sudsing.
it's already sudsing,
Sudsing it?
getting the action. And we like the Dexter machine here because we're getting a pre-wash. Then we're going to do a wash, a rinse, a final rinse. And then we're going to see what it looks like afterwards.
It's gonna be great. It's gonna smell so good.
Look at how much it suds up. Everybody loves suds.
And that's just one.
Yeah. One garment, one wash. Now, typically we say that more soap does not mean more wash, right?
No.
So one.
More soap doesn't make it cleaner.
No. Well, that's like a 5 times action, right?
Plus it's got that oxy equivalent in there. So that should be good.
A booster.
Yeah, the booster. I'm excited. This is exciting.
Right,
I
so
can't wait to see.
smell like a hot dog.
I was just thinking the same thing. I may want hot dogs for dinner. Okay. Oh. Look at that. Came all out.
Are you happy?
Yep.